Welcome to our demo of Zendesk Messaging. Customers expect great service across all channels, and messaging makes it easy for you to deliver personalized and engaging interactions, all without the heavy lift. Today, we'll go over the messaging experience from both the agent and the customer perspective with a demonstration of the tool from our customer success manager, Cooper.
Hey everyone, my name is Cooper and I'm a CSM here at Zendesk. In the next few minutes, I'm going to demo messaging from both an agent and end user experience. And while I'm doing so, I want you to keep two key ideas in mind. One, you're able to provide an omni-channel experience across multiple channels for your customer from a single ticket, making the experience easy for both your agent and the end user. And two, you'll have persistent conversation over a period of time instead of multiple one-off tickets, which can be confusing for your agent and end user to keep track of. All right, let's go to the demo. So Johnny is a frequent customer at his favorite retail company. He ordered a shirt he was super excited about, but unfortunately it's been a few weeks and he believes that it's been lost in transit. So he goes to the bot at the help center, and there's already this flow built out by the admin. So we have some order questions. And the bot is going to go ahead and suggest some articles over here, hopefully to deflect some of those easier questions. Unfortunately, Johnny has been in this situation before, and he knows that if he believes his order's been lost in transit, the article is going to tell him to connect with an agent. So he's going to say that he still needs help. Then it's going to ask for the order number. This is really helpful for the agent. And fortunately with messaging, this will be passed right along. Then it's going to ask for Johnny's name and email address. Perfect. Now this is going to go ahead and create a ticket in Zendesk, and it's also setting the expectation for Johnny that if he stays here, we'll reply as soon as possible, but if not, he'll receive his response in his inbox. All right, so I am currently in Zendesk, and I received this notification from the customer. As an agent, I'm able to read through this entire thread so that I get the context before interacting with Johnny, and I'm also able to see that order number on the left-hand side over here. So one of the really cool things with messaging is I'm able to use both my chat shortcuts as well as macros. But I'm going to do this chat shortcut right over here for order help just to save some time, asking what the issue with the order is. Johnny over here is letting us know that the order is lost and really just wants an update, which is very understandable. And unfortunately, from the agent side, we have dealt with this situation before, so we do have a macro to help make this process go more quickly. And with this macro, I'm going to create a ticket for our shipping investigations team and also have a personalized response using some placeholders right here, letting Johnny know that we will get him an email as soon as we know what's going on. Johnny, though, he is a favorite customer of ours, and he really wants to get that information on the t-shirt as soon as possible. So he wants to know if we can actually go ahead and give him a call. Now, without messaging, I would have to create another ticket as an agent, and that might be a lot for me to keep track of. But fortunately, with messaging, I am able to channel switch, and this is all going to exist on the same ticket. And since Johnny is a loyal customer, we do have his phone number right over there. So I'm going to let Johnny know that no worries, a call it is. All right, so following that demo, I want to leave you with a few key takeaways about messaging. As we saw, Johnny didn't want to communicate across just one channel, but rather the channels that he preferred, and we're seeing this happen more and more across CX experiences. Fortunately, messaging allows you to deliver upon that experience. Additionally, all these conversations aren't on different tabs for your agent. They're in the same interface that your agents use every day. Third, you're able to use those key time-saving tools, such as macros and shortcuts, to have an efficient CX experience, along with many of the favorite Zendesk features that your agents use every day. And finally, as CSMs, we know that each business has different needs, including your own. Even if you're not using a web widget, messaging enables you to easily have a channel switching experience while also unlocking additional functionality and capabilities on the platform. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.